said learning English has to be boring? Welcome to Lux Vision. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lux Vision, your new destination for fun and effective English learning. I'm so excited to have you here as we start this journey together. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your English skills, this channel is here to help you learn, grow, and gain confidence in speaking and understanding English. We'll cover everything from basic words and vocabulary to advanced phrases, pronunciation tips, conversation practice, and even some fun cultural insights. And don't worry, we'll keep things simple, interactive, and most importantly, enjoyable. So why learn English with me? Well, learning a new language can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be boring. My goal is to make learning English a part of your everyday life, with lessons that are easy to understand and apply. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn English with me. Today we're talking about how to refine your language and speak more elegantly. We'll look at some common phrases and explore more refined alternatives. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about those moments when you want to say, "I don't care." Instead, try saying, "It's not a priority for me at the moment." This shows that you have other focuses without sounding dismissive. Now, if someone asks about something you'd rather keep to yourself instead of saying, "That's none of your business," you can say, "I'd prefer to keep this matter private." This way, you set boundaries politely. When you hear an idea you don't agree with, rather than saying, "That's stupid," a more respectful way is, "I don't think that's the best approach." It shows your disagreement without being offensive. Confused about something instead of saying, "I don't understand." Try, "Could you explain that a bit more?" This invites clarification in a polite and constructive manner. When you're indifferent to a choice, instead of saying whatever, you can say, "I'll leave that decision up to you." It conveys the same message but in a more considerate way. If someone has an issue that doesn't involve you, instead of saying, "That's your problem, not mine," try, "That's something you'll need to resolve yourself." This expresses that it's their responsibility without sounding harsh. When someone's message isn't clear, instead of saying, "You don't make sense," ask, "Could you clarify what you mean by that?" This invites them to explain further without criticizing. If you believe someone is incorrect, rather than saying, "You're wrong," you can say, "I see it differently than you do." This opens up a dialogue for discussion rather than confrontation. When you're busy and can't engage, instead of saying, "I don't have time for this," say, "My schedule is quite full right now. Could we discuss this later?" This acknowledges your busy schedule while still being courteous. By using these elegant alternatives, you'll not only sound more refined, but you'll also communicate with greater respect and professionalism. Which of these phrases will you start using today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your English. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Let's start this amazing journey together. Until next time, take care and happy learning.